In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make join request channel in Telegram. This is a great way to keep your channel private while still letting people ask to join, so you can review who gets access. You'll need to be an admin of the channel to do this, and I'll mention both mobile and desktop paths as we go. Start by opening Telegram. Then open your channel, tap or click the channel name at the top to open the channel's info page. On mobile, look to the top right and tap the edit icon. The little pencil. On desktop, you'll see a manage button, click that to open the settings. Next, find channel type. Make sure the channel is set to private. Private channels don't appear in search, and only people with your invite link can try to join. This setting matters because the approval process works through special private invite links. So double check that it's selected before moving on. Now head into invite links. This section lists your existing invite links and lets you create new ones for different purposes. Creating a separate link for requests keeps things organized and lets you control who comes in through approval. Choose Create a new link. Here, you'll see options for customizing the link's behavior. Look for the setting labeled Request Admin Approval and toggle it on. Turning this on changes the experience for anyone who opens the link instead of an instant join. They'll see a Request to Join button. That means they can submit a request and no one gets in until an admin approves. It's a simple switch that gives you full control without changing anything for your current members. When you are ready, tap or click Create to finalize the link. This activates the link and makes it ready for monitoring joins. From this point on, anyone who opens this specific link will be asked to request access. Here is how approvals work. When users tap Request to Join, you'll see their requests appear at the top of the channel chat. And you can also find them in the channel settings under Member Requests. From there, admins can review each request and approve or decline with a tap. Approving adds the person to the channel immediately. Declining keeps your channel membership as it is. That's it. Thanks for watching.